Welcome to another video from DIY Daily. Just put together a quick video just showing you how to set this 2019 Mercedes CLA into brake pad replacement mode so you can fit some new rear brake pads. Now it's quite straightforward on these. The first thing we're going to do, just with the ignition off, just put it onto ignition stage 1, just one turn of the key. And it's very important to make sure it's just on stage 1. And you need to be on the centre trip screen, the main screen that just shows the mileage on there and the trip, that's all. And once you're on there, all we're going to do is just simply press and hold the phone button. Then a few seconds after, press and hold the OK button and keep them both depressed. So just do that quickly now. And you'll just get a new menu appear. Once the menu appears, you can then obviously release the buttons, and you can just see we've got pad replacement there. So what I'm going to do is scroll down to pad replacement. Now the other thing, it won't let you do it. It'll come up with a little warning message if the conditions aren't correct. You need to make sure that the handbrake's actually off. So if we just release the handbrake now, you see the handbrake warning light's out. If we now press OK, that'll just give you a little message there just to confirm. So we'll just press OK again. I don't know if you can quite hear it, but you can hear it retracting the motors now. And it'll just come up with another message to tell us when it's ready. So that's reached the fitting position now. So all you need to do at this stage is just leave it as it is now. Crack on, get your brake pads swapped over. Once you've took the calipers off, you will just need to manually just push the pistons back, but they will obviously push back now. Then you can get them swapped over. As soon as you've got it all swapped over and everything, you can then just press OK and it will release the motor and press it back out and finish the procedure off. So yeah, quite a straightforward procedure. Just thought I'd put it on there if anyone needs to know how to do it to replace theirs. But yeah, thanks for watching and we'll see you next time.